Aloha everyone! Today I'm going to show how to make flower beads earrings. Super easy and super cute. Please watch until the end of the video. You will need flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, cutter, one pair of any kind of earrings, 26 gauge wire, and 3mm pearl beads and gold beads. With flat nose pliers, leaving about 1 inch and bend the wire at about 90 degrees angle. Now you hold round nose pliers now, then you rotate your wrist to the right like so. You hold the wire at about 4mm from the bend. Slowly you rotate the wire and wrist to where you would shake hand, and you pull the wire with left fingers around round nose pliers. Here's your loop. Then you want to hang on to the earrings, so you open the loop you just made. Then you close the wire with either round nose pliers or flat nose pliers, and you hold the loop gently. Then you wrap the shorter wire to the core wire. I like to wrap about 2 times. Then cut the excess wire with cutter. And then you put 6 pearls onto the wire. You want to shape the wire like a circle because you want to make flowers, right? You're gonna wrap the wire right above the 2 pearls, about 2 times. Then you bring the wire to the front. You can adjust the shape to beautiful circle if you need to. You string the gold bead onto the wire and place that in the center of the pearls. It looks like flower. Then you want to secure the wire to end. So I choose the center of the flower, which comes to the middle of 3 pearls and 3 pearls. I wrapped about 2 times as well. Cut the excess wire and done.